Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to manage storage on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that go to settings, and after that go to data and storage. And as you can see here, you will find all the storage data in the first option, storage usage. And as you can see here, you can clear entire cache of the app, and you will see like how much like storage, videos, stickers, files, and other things are using on your Telegram. And from here, you can manage all the storage related to this app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.